Hello, my name is Amir Ishmael. This is my bonus project from my Arduino group. Here's my Arduino. Here is my graph. We have stop initialized to false. This will initialize the while loop. I then have parameters for the graph. And in terms of captioning the X and Y axis, I then begin my while loop. I have the button which I will use. My program will be a doorbell. I then create the graph and display whether the button is clicked or not. So if I click the button, I will play a sound, a doorbell sound going ding dong, and then I will ask for a password to enter my home. If I correctly enter the password, which is open, then the door will open, stop will be true, and the while loop will stop. However, if I do not answer it correctly, the while loop will iterate again. I will demonstrate this now. So as we see, a graph shows up, and then I'm going to click the button right here. A sound will come from the buzzer, and then you will see the graph update right here. So as we heard the buzzer, and then this is the button indicating that it is pressed. It goes from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1 right here. It then asks me for my password at the bottom right here, to which I will enter the password open, and the door will open, and the program stops. However, if I want to enter the password again and I enter a different password, I will run the program again. So as we see, we have the button right here. So it asks me to enter a password. I will type in, this is clearly not the correct password, and the loop will go again. So I will press the button to hear the buzzer. It then asks me for my password again. And this is all shown with the graph. I pressed the button before and I got the password wrong, so the value went down for 0. I then pressed the button again and the value went back up to 1. I will then enter the correct password, and then the door opens and the while loop stops. This code is made up of a while loop followed by an if statement, checking whether I clicked the button or not. Once I've clicked the button, the tone plays, and then it asks me for my password. Based on my reply, the door will open. Otherwise, the while loop will iterate again. Thank you very much.